You can also adjust thickness for 2D drawings inside of Blender, inside of 2D animation mode. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go around and then draw out this stroke just like this. So let's say I want to thicken this out. Then what I can do is I can use the thickness modifier. To do that, I'm going to go around into object mode and then select out this object right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around into modifier properties. So once I go into modifier properties, here you can see add modifier is an option. So I'm going to click over here, and now what I'm going to do is apply the thickness modifier. So once I click on this, what happens is that the thickness modifier has been applied, and you can see that now if I were to increase the value right here, just like this, click and drag it, you can see that the stroke that I have right here becomes more thick. Let's say I want it to be 10 times more thicker in value, type in 10, and now you can see it is thicker. You can also make it thinner if you want to right here. So let me just say 20, and now what happens is that it is 20 times thicker, just like that. And that is how you can modify the thickness of 2D drawings inside of Blender quite easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.